One individual was killed and was safeguarded subsequent to being caught for around 6 hours inside Las Vegas, Colorado. The lift broke down at the specialist said 12 individuals were caught around 1,000 feet underground. The lift was diving into the Mollie Kathleen Mother lode close to the town of Disabled Persons Spring when it had a mechanical issue around 500 feet underneath the surface, making a serious risk for the members, Teller Region Sheriff Jason Mikesell said. The reason for the guest's demise was not promptly given. The sheriff expressed one of those caught was a representative with mine security experience. Authorities said the disappointment happened at mostly down the shaft. Authorities had the option to effectively recover the body of the individual who passed on and were in touch with the family. The person who passed on was not distinguished Thursday. Prior in the early evening, while the 12 were stuck at the last, 11 others who were riding the lift were saved, for had minor wounds. Yet the sheriff didn't expound on how they were harmed. The lift ride commonly requires around 2 minutes, going around 500 feet each moment, as indicated by the mine site. The sheriff said that individuals who were caught had not been educated regarding the degree of the issue and were just informed that checks were being made on the lift. At last, authorities informed them they were engaged with a report drawing public consideration. Mikesell said during an evening preparation that specialists don't have any idea yet what caused the glitch and an examination is in progress. Engineers attempted to ensure the lift was working securely again prior to bringing the abandoned guests back up on it. They had been arranged to bring them up by rope in the event that vital had they not had the option to sort the lift out. 2 individuals who were safeguarded at first were youngsters, and they are being offered emotional well-being directing by nearby experts. Mines that work as vacation destinations in Colorado should assign somebody to examine the mines and the transportation frameworks day-to-day, as per the State Division of Recovery, Mining, and Well-Being. Mikesell said he didn't have the foggiest idea about the date of the last review. Records of the examinations weren't quickly accessible on the web. The occurrence occurred during the last 7-day stretch of the Mollie Kathleen Mother lode season, before it closes down for the colder time of year. The mine opened during the 1800s and was shut during the 1960s, yet at the same time works visits. The mine site depicts a 1-hour visit in which guests dive 100 stories into the earth. It says guests can see veins of gold in the stone and ride an underground cable car. A lady named Mollie Kathleen Gortner found the webpage of the mine in 1891 when she saw quartz bound with gold as per the organization's site. As per the sheriff, there have been no new security episodes at the mine, and it is one of the more secure mine travel industry encounters on the planet. The last mishap at the mine occurred in 1986, Mikesell said. No one passed on in that episode. The word-related well-being and well-being organization will research the dig for security. Authorities said the vacationer location is arriving at the finish of its season as it closes for the colder time of year. The lift has been taken disconnected as authorities work to figure out what turned out badly. Governor Jared Polis said in an explanation that he was feeling better to know about the fruitful salvage. I'm freed that 12 from individuals caught in the Mollie Kathleen mine have been securely protected. Our most profound sympathies to the loved ones of the singular lost in this episode, Polis composed. I express gratitude toward Teller Region and Sheriff Mikesell and his group, as well as the other policing specialists on call from nearby and state government for their quick reaction and eager endeavors, including individuals from the branch of normal assets, the Division of Work and Business, and the Division of Country Security and Crisis to Board. Because of this cooperative exertion, every one of these people will get back securely